This video explains how to calculate and draw the empirical cumulative distribution function in the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and this example is based on the data that we can create with lines 2 and 3 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new vector object is appearing, which is called x. And we can print this vector to the bottom by running line 4 of the code. And then you can see that our data contains 50 different random numeric values. Now, if we want to calculate the empirical cumulative distribution function values of these data, we can apply the ECDF function, as you can see in line 6 of the code. And within this function, I'm simply specifying the name of our vector object. So in this case, our vector object is called x. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom that some output is returned, and this output contains the empirical cumulative distribution function values corresponding to our input data. Now, if we want to draw these data, we can simply wrap the plot function around this output, as you can see in line 8 of the code. So if you run this line of code, you can see at the bottom right that a plot of our empirical cumulative distribution function is drawn in RStudio. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video, or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.